Dengan hormat, saudara-saudara yang dari Indonesia, minta tolong berdiri. I would like to call Sister Elita.
This is the love of God.
Sister Andrea.
Great is thy faithfulness, O God, my Father.
If you know what is the bad news, that is a good news. If you know what is the good news, first of all, you must know what is the bad news. If you know that you are a sinner, that is a very good news. Para yung magkaroon ng isang space doon sa mga nasa likod. Jesus is Lord over San Jose. Si Sister Esther.